I am Ignacio. We are back in Santa Clarita to the Towsley Canyon. 2 days ago, I made a video to the wildflowers, and today I'm going back to the same place, but this time I'm gonna show you the easy way. Enter this on Google Maps and it's gonna bring you to this spot. This is about 40 minutes from Los Angeles. We are in the city of Santa Clarita. It is open from sunrise to sunset. There are 3 parking lots. The first one it's free, and there are 2 more that you have to pay. If you come on a weekend, come early because it's gonna get busy because of the wildflowers. This is the entrance to the parking lot. The first parking lot on the right is the one that is going to be free. And then if you keep driving on this road, straight ahead, there's going to be 2 more parkings, the ones that you have to pay. I'll show you in a bit. This one is the free parking. This is the view from the second parking lot. Over there is the first parking. I just want to show you how it looks. Right over there is the paying station. That's where you can pay. Over here is the parking lot. You can bring cash and fill up the envelope. They can also take checks. Here are the instructions. Take care of that and you're ready to go. Okay, we're back on the first parking lot. On the right hand side of the parking, there's a trail that connects you to the Taylor Loop, the one we did 2 days ago. I don't know if you saw the video. That Taylor Loop takes you behind the hill, and then around you will find the flowers. But today we're doing the easy route. You want to take the same trail from this side. It will take you 5 to 10 minutes to get to the wildflowers this way. I've been to this place many times and I've never seen so many flowers like this time. This was late April of 2025. Bring some water, bring a friend, get some snacks, and please be careful. Watch for snakes. Two or 3 minutes into the hike, we're gonna find this small creek. Once we cross it, right away, we're gonna start seeing the wildflowers. I must mention that the first part of the hike, we're gonna hear the noise from the cars on the 5 freeway. This is the first intersection that we're going to find. If you go to the right, that way, it will also take you to the parking lot. We're gonna continue on the left. But before that, I'm gonna show you how it looks if you go to the right just to take pictures or so. You get the idea. Now we're gonna go back the way we're supposed to follow the trail. If this is your first time watching my videos, thank you so much for doing so. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the little bell so you won't miss any of my adventures. Thank you for your support. Today's hike is about 1.6 miles with only 250 feet of elevation gain. It is considered to be an easy one, so it's perfect for the whole family and for beginners. It should take you about 40 minutes to 1 hour to finish it, but trust me, you're gonna stop every minute to take pictures and video, so it will take you longer than that. this part we're going uphill that way, but it's not too difficult. And this is the view from the top. We still have to go up a little bit more. We're gonna continue that way, and then we're gonna find another trail to the right. That's a trail that will connect you if you had taken the other side from the parking lot. I will show you another perspective. This is from the other side. The right hand side is where we're coming, and the left you can hike and go to the top of that hill. From up there you get very beautiful views too. This is the highest point on this trail, and from this part we're gonna start descending. In about 3/4 of a mile, we're gonna find the trail on the right that takes us to the Taylor Loop Trail, the one we did 2 days ago. Click on the link to watch the video if you missed it. Today we're going that way, straight. We are doing the Elder Loop. Eventually, we're gonna find the road on the left. That's the way out. And then we end up on this part, which is the third parking lot that we were talking about at the beginning of the video. You can also start from here, but if you drive all the way up here, remember you have to pay this parking, $7. This is a view from the other side. That is the parking lot where we just finished hiking. The way out is that way, on that road for about half a mile. And on this side of this trail, you will find a nice picnic area. I'll show you. In this part there are trash cans, so there's no excuse. Leave nothing behind. Let's keep this place beautiful and clean. Thank you. Also, dogs are welcome, but they must be on a leash. And here there are restrooms available. This path is also part of the Towsley Canyon Loop Trail, which is about 6.2 miles with an elevation gain of 1,400 feet. It is a difficult one, but it's an amazing one. Click on the link to watch that video. And this is the way out. This year we didn't have much rain, and still we got this beautiful bloom here in Santa Clarita. I'm gonna be looking for other places where I can find wildflowers, and if I find them, I'm gonna share them with you. So make sure to subscribe and activate the little bell. That way you won't miss them. I made a playlist with videos of beautiful super blooms. Click on the links that are gonna appear on the screen to watch them. That way you will know where to go in case we got plenty of rain next year. Thank you so much for your support and for watching. Until next time.